guys. Happy Thursday! It's our third day here in Cancun. So, grabe kagabi guys, nag-disco, silent disco kami. It was really fun kasi wala kang maririnig pag hindi ka naka-headphones, and iba-iba yung music. Baga, iba-ibang color. Pwedeng mong i-change yung music. Tatlong klaseng music. Yeah. Kapajama pa rin tayo. Of course, kakagising na natin. Medyo nalasing tayo kagabi. But it was so fun. And today, yung ganap natin today is parang may i-present sila. Alam niyo, nung pagdating namin dito, kagaya yan sa Cancun, so may i-present silang something. Yeah. And ito, dadaling ko to sa baba mamaya. Free daw to. Totally free. Any of our shop. Parang Mayan something. Mayan, I don't know, necklace, pendant. So, nag-offer agad sila guys. Sandali lang. Magpe-pepper lang ako. Kapag toothbrush na ako, si Mr. naliligo lang. So, kakausapin ko mamaya. Wait lang. So, yan. Habang magpe-prepare ako, kwento ko sa inyo. Nung pagdating namin dito, spray muna tayo ng D'Alba. Gusto ko tong ano na to. Spray. Pagdating namin dito, nag-offer sila na may i-present sila sa amin. It's the same thing nangyari sa amin sa Dominican Republic. I think they wanted you to become a member. Eh, wala kaming gagawin sa Thursday. Kahapon Wednesday, meron kaming pa-excursions. May pa-tour kami. Kaya hindi pwede nung Wednesday. Alam namin na hindi naman kami kukuha. Pero may mga freebie kasi siya guys. May mga like, how you call that one? Like, free na ano. Pamatayin ko lang ito na ano. Free 2 massages. Merong isang kilang bottle. Tapos, meron silang pa-session ng picture photographies dyan sa labas. So, kung makinig lang kami ng 90 minutes, meron kaming makukuha na ganun. May free breakfast pa sa VIP room. Alam mo guys, yung ganito, kada ano talaga, meron silang paganyan. Wala namang mawawala sa'yo. Hindi naman nila ipipilit sa'yo kung ayaw nyo magpa-VIP. Hindi naman kasi namin siya kailangan, guys. Kasi we don't want to go for vacation in the same place. Alam mo yung mas gusto namin yung iba-iba. Iba-iba. Ang dami kong pinaglalagay sa mukha pa, ha? Lalo na yung lalo na yung moisturizer, tsaka tawag nito. Ito, importante ito. Sunscreen. Kahapon, ang sobrang init, guys. Grabe. Pinuntahan namin, sobrang init talaga. Kaya magiging ready tayo ngayon. Dito lang naman kami sa resort today. Yung aking Mr. Ito pa lang ginagamit ko. La Roche something. Dadamihan ko siya, guys. Kasi, dapat magdala ka ng sunscreen talaga para mag-reapply ka from time to time. Kasi sobrang init ang panahon. Tignan mo, medyo nasunog na nga yung mukha ko. Sunog na siya. Sunog. King, you want some? You put this one on your face. Not really. But we're gonna go out. Uy! Ay, naka-short na pala siya. Ayan na. Nag-prepare na si Mr. Mamaya ulit, guys. So, yun yung explanation ko. Ewan ko mamaya. Ewan ko kung bibigyan pa rin nila kami ng something. Even if magsasay kami ng hindi kami tutuloy ba. I think, pa-BBIP member talaga yan. Pa-member ka. Maglagay lang ako nito para double protection. Kasi iba yung init ng panahon dito guys. Sobrang. Tomorrow, what tour do we have tomorrow? Chichuich. Ano yan? Is it like, is it pyramids too?
Yeah.
Oh, yan yung kalaban ng Cuba.
Most famous.
Really? This is like, it's the, how you call it? That's, the tour guide yesterday mentioned it, that that's the enemy of Cuba.
Yeah.
They're like, enemy pala. Mga Mayans before, magkaaway pala sila.
Different Maya tribes.
Yeah. I learned yesterday, guys. Alam niyo, gustong-gusto ko talaga yung ano nito, guys. Pak. Ayan. Wow! Sobrang, shining beautiful. Shining beautiful. Pag dito, hindi na ako naglalagay ng kung ano-anong makeup. Ang pinaprioritize ko is skincare talaga. So, yun. I learned that yung mga pinag-aano pala nila, sacrifices, mga ganyan, yung mga kalaban pala nila guys, ng mga Mayan, yung mga noble family, yung mga pinapatay to sacrifice. I learned that yesterday pala. So yun lang, I'm just gonna prepare, wear my dress, I'm gonna go down. Hi guys, naka-prepare na kami ni Mr. and that's our outfit of the day. Pink. Let's go, Mr. Ayan kay Mr. Medyo madumi na yung ating room, but that's okay. Hindi namin siya araw-araw pinapalinis kasi ang dami namin iniiwan sa loob. So, lagi lang yan siyang naka-do not disturb yung aming room. We're gonna go downstairs. Hindi ko alam saan, pero do you like my outfit? All pink. All pink tayo today. Hindi ko ba alam ba't magpipink tayo. Pero dahil meron tayong pa-outfit na ganito, suotin na rin natin. Suklay. Kasi wala tayong conditioner eh. Ito lang yung conditioner nila available. Kasi only conditioner they have, I don't know, this one, coconut. Maybe, how much is this one? 89. We can ask how much is $89. Peso. Okay, maybe we will buy one of these two. We've loan. Kano to? 109. In peso. Okay. So this, we're gonna buy this one. Meron silang mga paano dito, guys. Ayan, mga cups. Ayan. So nice. Ano si Mr. Bumaba kami. Tapos yung presentation na in-explain ko sa inyo kanina. Ang ingay dito, ang daming tao. Walang tao sa labas. Kasi nga sobrang lamig. Medyo maambon. Wala talaga nagsiswimming. Bumili lang kami ng, guys, etong suklay. Suklay. Brush. At saka hair conditioner. Nakalimutan kasi namin yung brush ko nasa bahay. Nasa bahay na iwan namin. And ngayon, yung gagawin natin is magbubook lang tayo ng pa-lunch, pa-dinner. Kasi may mga certain restaurants na kailangan mo i-book ahead of time. And hindi siya nag-work nung 3-9 ni Mr. Hello. Ayan. Book siya dyan. Dito muna tayo. So, I'm gonna comb my hair. Tagal-tagal din. 3 araw na wala akong supply, guys. Sabi ko kay Mr. Bumaba kayo tayo. Tingnan natin kung may hair conditioner sila. Tsaka ito. Kasi ang nangyari, meron silang shampoo and conditioner. Pero hindi naman siya nakakapag-ano ng buhok. So, that's why. Lagay ko kayo dyan. Okay? Yan yung pink. Magsusuklay muna ako. Maligo ba? Ang sarap maligo. Umuulan. As in, may storm kasi na paano. Why? Let's go. We can try that again. Sobrang maulan yung natin for today's video. We don't have anything today. Meron silang baspa dito. do much today, just relaxing. Nag-book si Mr. ng restaurant for dinner. I think it's an Italian restaurant, and this is our outfit for the day. Look, hold it here. Ayan, the next sandals lang ako. Oops! Yung kay Mr. Very simple white pants. Let's go eat, people. Eat! I'm getting fat. Dito tayo sa kabilang resort. So mag-partner sila, guys. Pwede kayong maligo dito. Basically, and you can order food as well. So you can see here. Yeah, so dalawang resort siya. Pwede kang pumunta dun sa kabila. Kahit na dun ka sa kabila nag-book. And dito rin. And we booked our dinner here sa Veneto. It's like an Italian restaurant. Ganda, right? Ganda ng nila. Yung ating pa-dress para lang talaga tayong nagmalong, guys. Entrance. Maulan kasi, guys. Maulan today. Dito tayo punta. Sana ma-upload ko tong mga vlogs na to, no? Just the memories. This is what we done. Yeah, we can ask. Are we gonna shop for today's? We're early? Oh, we're too early. Still. Ganda dito. That's that thing. May bar sa labas. And this is the entrance. Hello. It's okay. Cheers.
Tingnan mo ba ang ikaw na napapasaya? Ngumiti ka lang sa akin at nahulog na. Anong magagawa? Laging nagtutulala.
Appetizer. And that's the hubby taking a video. A picture. Sarap. Ay, dapat pala. Ang sarap. Yan. This is with
What? I don't like it.
you will like it.
You like it? That's good.
Do you like it? It's cheese, I think, with
You like the cheese?
no, it's like it's your cheese. Olive oil.
try this one?
Ooh, our new favorite drink. Passion fruit margarita. Order siya ng soup. Mushroom soup. Me, I didn't get any soup kasi hindi naman ako mahilig sa sabaw. Charlie. Main course has arrived. Ano to? Green something. Ravioli with butter sauce. Mr. is filming. And that's a mahi-mahi fish for him.
You wanna try? Yes.
I'm okay. Dessert na tayo, guys. We have tiramisu same with Mr. Ito yung passion fruit margarita, pero mas gusto ko yun sa kabila. Kasi parang wala siyang kain, something pa. So, tapos lemon. Ito yung ano niya. Blended siya sa kabila. Let's eat. So far, the food was good. Tiramisu. Yum. How is the food, Mr.? Huh? Yeah, I think it's more dito na side very ano siya. Very calm. Hindi kagaya sa kabila. Sobrang ano sa kabila, guys. Wild, like ang daming maingay ba? Maingay sa kabila. Here, it's calm. Wala masyadong tao. Wala na tayong lipstick, guys. But that's okay. Uy, in fairness naman dito pala sa akin, ano, this one, you know what, this is real good. Kasi, diligo ko na siya ng dagat, guys. Hindi pa rin siya nalubad. Ano to ha? It's not real. Hindi ko sinusuot yung ano, nasa bahay lang. Chipipay lang to. Chipipay. Hindi naman chipipay, pero, yeah. For display lang yan. Pero in fairness sa kanya, tingnan niyo yung ano niya, very, hindi talaga siya nag-ano guys, nag-fade or anything. Yung kulay, gold pa rin siya. Para talaga siyang tunay. Kasi yung totoo ko talagang ano, nasa bahay lang. Kasi, ayoko siyang mawala. Mahal yun. Mahal yun. This one is okay. Bumili kayo ng something na pwede niyong madala anywhere na okay lang pag nawala. So yan, pauwi na tayo dun sa place natin. Are you still hungry? The food was good. Maliit, konti lang siya, pero maano ka guys, mafu-full ka kasi meron siyang appetizer, salad. Even though maliit lang talaga siya, you know, I mean, yeah, enough to be full. Typical Italian restaurant, ganyan naman talaga. Hindi masyadong big serving, pero mabubusog ka. It was great. So, ayun na yan. It's our day 4th here in Cancun, and for today's video, meron tayong excursions. Ano yung, what's the name of the tiramisu? Chicha something. Chichavitsa. Very popular yan siya dito pag nandito kayo sa Cancun. One of the 7. Nakita niya yung hat ko.
They already